Meta, the parent company of Facebook, faces a courtroom battle that could potentially change the way we all use social media. So this is what happened. Yesterday, a judge allowed a federal trade commission lawsuit to move ahead, and that lawsuit accuses Meta of creating an illegal monopoly with Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. CBS News Money Watch correspondent Kelly O'Grady is here for more on this. Kelly, good morning. Break it down for us.
Yeah, good morning to you. So very simply, Tony, Meta is accused of trying to get rid of its competition. So the argument is owning these two companies created a monopoly in the social media space, and that hurts users and other businesses. Now, the FTC says Meta overpaid for Instagram in 2012 and WhatsApp in 2014 because it saw them as threats. Now, these were monster deals at the time. However, when we spoke with Meta, it told us it feels confident the evidence will show these deals have been, quote, good for competition and consumers. Although the case it's going to trial, legal experts tell us the FTC may have an uphill battle. Not only was the lawsuit dismissed once before, but it was the FTC itself that approved these deals 10 years ago. So what does it mean for you? In the event Meta has to sell, new management could change how user data is treated or alter child privacy protections. Now, the next administration's regulatory environment could be a little easier than the current one, but this action originally dates back to 2020 during the first Trump administration.
So, Kelly, the idea from the FTC is that Meta bought these other companies when they were small in order to stifle the competition. How valid is that argument?
So, Tony, in a previous life, I worked in the deal space, and I can tell you over 70% of M&A transactions fail. And by fail, I mean that the company ends up being worth less than what you paid for it. I've done deals where you think it's going to be great, it's going to work out, and it's really about the execution. So a lot of analysts say here, look, Meta had no idea that Instagram and WhatsApp could be as big as it was, and maybe it was even their resources that helped them get to that point. Yeah. The other point I just want to mention is that if the FTC wins, Tony, this sets a precedent that every deal in any industry that the government has approved could be challenged. That opens up a very big can of worms.
Wow. All right. Big can indeed. Kelly, thank you very much. Appreciate it.